Hi guys! Today I'm going to glittering a beautiful mixer truck. Let's start glittering it together. Red. I will do different glittering colors in it. So dear children, watch the whole video. This mixer truck is going to be so colorful after the glittering. Golden. Orange. This mixer truck looks so beautiful. Look at those colors. Green. Do you like playing with toy trucks?
Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock.
Pink.
The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory Dickory Dock, the bird looked at the clock.
So shiny.
Away she flew. Hickory Dickory Dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory Dickory Dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three. Fiddly-dee. Hickory Dickory Dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory Dickory Dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck four. He ran out the door. Hickory Dickory Dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory Dickory Dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five. She went to her hive. Hickory Dickory Dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Blue.
Hickory Dickory Dock.
It's a colorful mixer truck.
The clock struck six. Oh, little six. Hickory Dickory Dock, tick tock, tick tock. 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 Hickory Dickory Dock.
Purple.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels
It looks like a rainbow.
round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town.
Red.
The wheels on the bus. Yeah. The horn on the bus goes beep beep beep, beep beep beep, beep beep beep. The horn on the bus goes beep 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus.
Wow, what a shiny rainbow mixer truck. It's look amazing. Kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel for more drawing videos. See you in the next drawing video.